Hi, for those that don't know me, my name is Professor Dr. Chris Geddes. I'm a full professor in the chemistry department and director of the world-famous Institute of Fluorescence. Welcome to Chem 303. Chem 303 is taught in the spring semester only, and it consists of three components. It has a thermodynamics component, a kinetics component, and then a quantum chemistry and spectroscopy component. Each of those components is weighted equally throughout the course, 20%, 20%, and 20% of the final grade, and the remaining 40% of the grade is for the final exam. The course has a lot of math in it, and so for those not strong at math, I encourage you to take additional math classes or seek guidance with people in the class that are particularly good at math. For example, multivariable calculus is a part of the course. The Chem 303 course is a fairly large course. I'm going to suggest that there is perhaps 300 to 500 PowerPoint slides in the entire course. I do give my PowerPoint slides away and I post them on Blackboard. I encourage all students to go through content as often as possible so you don't have a deluge of PowerPoint slides to revise for at the end of the course. So now on to the exams. How are the exams structured for Chem 303? I mentioned that there were three sections to 303: thermodynamics, kinetics, and quantum chemistry. Those three midterm exams are typically multi-choice questions. I typically give either 18 or 20 multi-choice questions that you have to do in 1 hour. The final exam, which is set by the registrar sometime in mid-May, is usually a combination of multi-choice questions and a written component. That exam is a much longer exam at 2 hours and contributes 40% of the entire course grade. In a typical year, there will be 25 multi-choice questions in the final exam, and typically you'll have to write 2 essays on a given topic from a choice of perhaps 10 topics. This may change year to year, but on average over the years, that's typically what the structure of the exam has been. To help you all out with Chem 303, I will often put on special sessions. These special sessions are not regular class, but additional classes where I'll choose topics that are more complex to help you out with. For example, in the spring of 2024, I put on special math classes to help people be prepared for the multivariate calculus that's in Chem 303. Finally, I would just like to say that Chem 303 is a big course. And at first it may seem daunting, but I can guarantee you will mostly all get through Chem 303 quite well. Over the years that I've taught this course, 1,500 students or more have successfully got through Chem 303. And I'm quite confident most of you will as well.